more time. 1, 2, push. 5, 6, pull. 1, 2, push. Hello, La Suerte Dance School, Michal and Anna. Welcome to another Bachata class. Today we are going to teach you something different, relatively simple when it comes to moves with hands, but we'll concentrate a bit more on our feet. We'll show you that we don't have to always move to the left and to the right, that we can change directions while dancing. Not only front, back, not only left, right, we can actually combine it. We'll do square step, some people like to call it box step. So let's dig into it. If you don't know the square step yet, I'm attaching links in cards. So learn the step first, then come back here and we'll show you how to do it as a couple. First, we'll do it in open position. I'm putting my thumbs inside of her palms. She's closing them, rest of the fingers on top. And we start basic step to the side. 5, 6, 7, tiki, 1, 2, 3. First, we'll show you how it works. Square, 1, 2, 3. And 5, 6, 7. And again, 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7, tiki. So instead of going left, right, we'll go left together, front, and right together, back. That's from guy perspective. From girl point of view, obviously, it's exactly opposite. So we have right, back, so right together, back, and then left together, front. Again, go and watch the step, and it will be a lot easier. Now, from dancing in a couple perspective, the most important is the tension we are creating in here. So you see, I can easily balance Anna when she's standing in one position. She can feel when I'm moving my arms. Also, she's locking her elbows. So if you can relax elbows for a moment, Anna, nothing like that happens. We have very strong frame in here. And thanks to that, she can understand my signals and I can obviously give them in a very clear way. So let's do it one more time with basic. 5, 6, 7, nothing. 1, 2, 3. 5, get ready, go. 1, 2, guys, front, tap, hop, tick, and back and tap. Left together, left and tap. Right together, right and tap. That's from guys' point of view and tick. And for girls, she goes right together, back, and left together, front. Right together, back, and left together, basic, tick, and 1, 2, 3. And we'll align to the camera. Maybe that will help you as well. Let's do it again. And 1, 2, 3, and tap, and 5, 6, 7, and tap. 1, 2, push, guys. 5, 6, pull. 1, 2, push. And 5, 6, pull, and stop. Fantastic. Pretty simple stuff. Now, following the same principles, we can go back instead of front to start with. So after going one step to the left, I'll go back and then Anna will go forward. 5, 6, 7, basic. 1, 2, 3. Get ready, let's go. 1, 2, guys, back and tap. 5, 6, guys, front and tap. Left, left, and right, left, right, and tap. Left, right, and pull, and 5, 6, and push, and left, right, and pull, and 5, 6, and push, tap, okay? We'll do exactly the same again from other perspectives. So girls, you can follow Anna's steps. 5, 6, 7, basic. 1, 2, 3. Let's go back, hop, 1, back from guy's point of view. So every time when I call it from guy perspective. Girls, you have to obviously reverse everything. I think you are used to that now. Take a 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6. I'll change it to go to the front, hop, and 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, and 5, basic side, and 1, 2, 3, and one more time, square back, 1, 2, cheeky, and hop, square front, and 1, 2, cheeky, and 5, 6, hop, tick. Okay, this is something to play around. Don't tell your partner where are you going, just do it. Okay, so this is the setup we would start with. Now, if you feel comfortable with your feet, come closer. And now, this position doesn't forgive mistakes. So really, we have to concentrate on our feet. And we are starting with basic again. 5, 6, 7. Feet are exactly the same. We go left and front, hop. 1, 2, front, tiki, 5, 6, and back. And 1, 2, front, and hop, square back. And 1, 2, and back. And 5, 6, and front. And 1, 2, and back. and 5, 6, and basic, and 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7, tick. Let's do the same again. 5, 6, basic, nothing, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, let's go square front, 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7, go left and front, tiki, right and back, tiki, left and front, tiki, right, and go back, hop, left and back, tiki, right and front, and left and back, tiki, basic, hop, tiki, 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7, tick. Another thing you could experiment with is to do only half of the square and then come back to basic. It would work like this. 1, 2, 3, and basic, 5, 6, 7. Or 1, 2, 3, and basic, 5, 6, 7. Another thing you could experiment with is swapping between half of the basic and half of square step. For example, I can do square step to the left and front, 5, 6, only half, 1, 2, 3, 4, and now instead of finishing with square, I can finish with basic, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3. We could go also opposite direction. So first basic, 1, 2, 3, hop, and then let's say we'll finish with square back, 5, 6, 7, and that works as well. And then continue with basic. So you could mess around, you could really check if you are able to lead it and follow. So guys, don't tell your partner what you are going to do, just play around between square steps and between basic. I think it will be very, very enjoyable exercise. Obviously the same works with step front and back, 1, 2, 3, so I could first just go forward, and 1, 2, 3, then square, 5, 6, 7, and that works perfectly fine as well. 6, 7. Okay, I think this is enough for the theory. Let's play the song and let's practice it with music. We'll start with open position first. 5, 6, 7, side, 1, 2, 3. 6, 7, 1, 2, 3. And let's do square front. Hop.
Cuando el amor nos llega,
One more time. 1, 2, push. 5, 6, 4.
nos hace soñar, nos
5,
deja
6,
vivir
4. 1,
algo
2,
tan
push. And basic
distinto.
side. 1,
Cuando el amor nos llega,
6, 7, and 1.
nos cambia el
And let's go
cariño,
left and back. Hop.
porque
Tick,
no es
tick,
igual.
boom. And
Amar
tick,
que
tick,
querer
boom.
no es lo
Tick, tick,
mismo.
boom. And tick and push. And hop
Y es tan
and back.
bonito mi
And hop
vida,
and front basic 1.
que nos estemos
And
amando.
5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3. Okay, let's combine them both directions. So one to the front, one to the back. We go. Hop, 1, 2, front, and second back. 1, 2, back. And one more time. And 1, 2, front, and 5, 6, back.
Que he probado y es que es
Basic.
tan lindo.
Okay, now let's do basic turn and close position.
El amor.
Hop.
Vaya haciendo con sentimiento, mi gente.
And now we go the same close position. Left and front square. 1 and 5. You remember about your hips, eh? And 1
Cuando el amor nos llega,
and back. Up.
puedes cerrar los ojos.
6, 7, ticky,
Porque él
left
te hace
and
ver
back.
y te lleva a
Right and
conocer
front. Left
lo que
and back.
quieren todos.
And basic.
Cuando el amor nos llega,
Let's go front and back.
nos llena de ilusiones y nos hace saltar.
And now,
Deja
from
vibrar
basic forward, square to the right.
todos
Ready?
los corazones.
Here we go. 1,
Y
2,
es tan
square.
bonito mi
King,
vida,
basic side. 1.
que nos
So we have kind
estemos
of funky
amando.
combination. We're going front, then square, and then directly after that we swap to the side. Let's try it again. Up, 1,
Y es tan bonito mi vida,
basic,
que nos
Very cool.
estemos amando. Porque cuando me besas,
Let's
te
start
dejas
front and back again.
disfrutar lo más
and now we'll
dulce
go
que he
after
probado.
step back.
Y es que es
Step
tan
1, 2, get ready, square to the left and front,
El
up,
amor.
king, front,
lindo.
side,
El
basic.
sentimiento, baby.
Very nice. We'll do the same again, front and back. And go. Left and front. Left and front, tap, basic. Nice, open
Es
position.
tan bonito mi
Let's start reviewing.
Que nos estemos amando.
Basic sidewalk, left hand up.
Y el amor
Wrap the hand around next to each other.
y nos está acariciando.
6, 7, and 1.
Y es tan bonito vivir.
And open.
Que nos
And now,
estemos
straight after that, we'll do
que cuando me
square.
besas dejas disfrutar
Basic left and front.
lo más
Up,
dulce que he
right and back.
probado. Y es que es tan lindo
And basic.
el amor.
And guys, left turn, hands behind your back.
Y es que es tan
And variation
lindo
of sidewalk. Up
el amor.
and some. Finish. Open arms. A relatively simple combination today, but we started working on footworks. You have to realize that bachata is not only going left, right, front, back, front, back. There are multiple variations while we are dancing, and this is something what we slowly will start to deal with. So this was the first one that we ever done. Next time we will show you variations of half turns, so we'll show you how to swap places. So when I dance towards the mirror, after 4 steps, boom, I'll be dancing to the flag, and obviously Anna will go exactly opposite direction. So if you want to see that, like, subscribe, and press the bell. Like, subscribe, and press the bell. Follow us on Facebook, follow us on Instagram. I have impression that this Bachata beginners course will be quite long, but I think you'll become good Bachata dancers if you follow it with us. Thanks for watching. We'll see you later. Bye-bye.